I think now it's starting to reach that 10%. So in case of my website, 20%. That's that's something you can't really ignore anymore.
SEOscience.com.
We're seeing a massive trend towards Bing, based on the year so far. We were seeing it all last year as well, especially towards the end of last year. Do you reckon it's going to be worrying for Google now that?
I think from what I've heard on SEO Roundtable, a lot of people are not happy with the update. I think a lot of those people did use AI for a lot of the websites, so like maybe experiments and things like that, which is why they've been hit. But that sentiment isn't unwarranted. Like if you're going to lose like your livelihood or whatever based on like a Google update, that's not great. And obviously that it stings. So maybe what people will do as a reaction to that is then SEOs will start trending towards more Bing, like using Bing Analytics and like focusing more around how to, optimize for Bing, how to optimize for ChatGPT or the assistant as it calls it. And then you can maybe make some gains through that. Obviously, it's still considerably smaller than Google. Like there is a big difference in market share. But if you can do it, obviously they can always help. So
Yeah, I think now it's starting to reach that 10%. So in case of my website, 20%. That's something you can't really ignore anymore.